The Adani Group allocates 1,500 crore to transform Hyderabad into a hub for air-to-surface missile manufacturing, diversifying from traditional sectors. This strategic move aligns with India's pursuit of self-reliance in defense. The facility will focus on DRDO-developed missiles, including the versatile Rudram series, contributing to economic growth, job creation, and reduced dependence on foreign imports, bolstering India's defense preparedness. The Indian Army's Republic Day parade showcased the Army variant of the Medium-Range Surface-to-Air Missile, MRSAM, emphasizing agility and swift deployment. A collaborative effort with Israel Aerospace Industries, the MRSAM program highlights India's technological prowess, actively involving domestic defense industry partners. The system, with a 70-kilometer range, strengthens the Army's air defense capabilities. Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan defends the nation's right to enhance its armed forces in response to criticism from Azerbaijan over recent arms deals with India and France. Tensions rise as Azerbaijan accuses Armenia of fueling an arms race, heightening concerns about regional stability and the fragile peace process.